Hi guys, come on in. Welcome to Plant Paradise. My name is Gwen and I will show you around this fabulous apartment. So Plant Paradise is this beautiful little apartment in a historic building. It's 105 years old. It used to be a boots factory. We have a washroom in here with a full-on kitchen, and it's a one-bedroom apartment, though I have fit as many as 16 people in here. So when it comes to decorating, I generally like to look for things that local artisans have made. So I'll go to the West Coon West Flea or the Parkdale Fleas. We have a couple of pots and planters that literally are just on the side of the street that I saw to be, they still had a life to them. So I just brought them in here, cleaned them up a bit. There's a frame around the TV that we used to disguise it from being too techy. So we found this vintage milk crate that now houses this beautiful giant plant. There's a couple of chairs that we found off the street as well that we just brought home, glued them back up, reupholstered them, and voila, suddenly they're like these cool vintage mid-century chairs. And I'm actually pretty lucky. I've googled a couple of the things that I found and found that they're worth like way more than what people thought they were. So I like the fact that, in the means of reusing something, we actually added value to the place. If you ask me what my favorite piece was that I found, it actually would be this table right over here. This drafting table. I actually found it from a store that was going out of business. Originally, it was actually really huge and nobody wanted to buy it, so I just actually cut it down. We wanted to make sure that it did have a second life. And the pieces of wood that we took away from its size, we actually repurposed around this apartment. So you see pieces of it on the kitchen, pieces of it on the furnace where the plants are now. So we actually haven't wasted an inch of the table. Another favorite thing that I have in this apartment is the chandelier. I believe it's called the Sputnik chandelier. And the reason why I like this is because it has this cool mid-century vibe, but still clean, it's still classy, it's warm, it's inviting, it makes people want to sit down and chill out. One of the joys of having a beautiful apartment is the things you can do with it. Generally, my favorite thing to do in this apartment are sexy photo shoots. Just because the way the light falls on somebody's face, the way the plants work with people, the light's so superb and it's like stunning. Almost like every different part of the day you've got like a different look. So this swing was actually gifted to me by the previous occupants of this unit, and you just felt that it should stay in this place, and I kind of agree. I haven't moved it. It might sound weird, but no child has sat on this swing. Although it is child friendly, I feel like it's mostly enjoyed by people, people who are fully grown up. When it comes to the bedroom, I believe minimal is best, but that doesn't mean you can shortcome the comfort level. So because of that, there are secret touches that I put in there where, we've got extra space heaters hidden behind the bed. I would always focus on the minimalist approach. Firstly, looking at an object in a store and wondering to myself, is this worth it and does this bring me joy? And if it doesn't bring you joy, then it's not worth it. If you don't like it that much, but you want it because it's stylish, then I would say veer towards just getting the lumpy couch that feels great as opposed to a chic industrial couch that makes your butt feel like it's on a rail. I go for the comfy couch. It may be lumpy, but at the end of the day, that's what you're gonna snuggle up into. So thanks for coming by. I hope you come and visit. Toronto is an amazing city and it is full of fun people and fun places like this. People are like, oh, why are you living in Toronto? And I'm like, Toronto's the bomb. Are you kidding me? Toronto's the best. Can you imagine trying to find a place like this in New York? Like, no. It would be like $9,000 or something.